Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are gonna do something very exciting, and that is, of course, engine mounts, transmission mounts, but the exciting part is this, the CAE shifter with the, if I can open the box, the blue knob. So that's what we are gonna install. I already removed the center console part, because yeah, we don't need that. We need to cut the carpet and do some more stuff here for the shifter. But we are gonna start with the engine mounts. So yeah, we'll see what the game plan is. So we got the first engine mount mounted. Now we're on to the second one. So this one, yeah. Oh, nice. So I was actually replacing them just for prevention, but it turns out I already broke one. So yeah, you can see all the oil inside. Ugh. So yeah. Good that we changed them.
Oh.
So, as you can see, we installed the engine mounts. They are fully bolted down. So right now we can move on to the transmission mounts. So this one should be easier, right? Yeah. Okay, that's good. And then we can move on to the fun stuff. And that's the shifter. So let's get this one done quickly, and then we can move on.
Oh.
So we installed the transmission mounts. Pretty easy compared to the engine mounts, because you can reach it very easily. And now we can move on to the fun stuff, and that is the shifter. But the transmission mount, where is it? One was alright, but still a bit, yeah. But this one was broken, so yeah, lucky that we changed them before they really started causing issues. But let's move on to the fun stuff. Nice. So the old shifter is out. Now we are gonna install the CAE shifter rod. It's the S, maybe it's on there. Oh, it's S, I don't know if that's the size, but that's what we are going to install next, and then we can move on to the really fun stuff, and that's the shifter itself. So yeah, old one, new. So the shifter rod is on, you can probably see it on the hole. Yeah, you can see it right there. So now it's time to start with the shifter itself. So I'll probably need to trim the carpet a little to make some room, and then yeah, drill some holes, and that should basically be it. So let's get started on that. So we still need to cut the carpet, but we already knew that. I think we're gonna do that first and then start drilling. We are taking off the carpet and almost ready to drill. I think we're just gonna drill the holes and then put the plate. Where's the plate? Put the plate in between, and then we can start cutting up the center console, and I think also this part we need to cut some of it off, because yeah, probably like I think Simon has a third one.
This one, I guess.
So yeah, this one is pretty big, so I think the first priority is just getting it in, and then we can start working on the details like the middle console and stuff. So yeah, it's time to start drilling. It's a little bit dark in the car, but I just bolted down the 4 and Simon attached the shifting rod. So then reverse. Amazing. Okay, final touches. Of course, we need to cover everything up. So we are gonna cut the middle console because I have a spare one. We're gonna cut that so it fits the shifter, and then the part here where the lighter and stuff is, we need to cut that as well. But yeah, the overall part of getting the shifter in is done, so we can move on to the details. Okay, we put the center console part in. Let's trim down. Now it's time to start focusing on the this plastic part. I think just gonna line it up to where it's supposed to be, and then we can yeah, cut it a little bit. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, so we have the trim in. Finally, now we need to do the onboard computer, like the light switches. We need to put back this switch, then we need to put the mid of the center console back into place, but then we are basically done. So final stretch. Yep, everything is finished up, everything is back into place. This center console is trimmed. The only thing I need to do is make a carbon plate to cover this off, because there are a lot of wires right now tucked in there that we need to hide. But other than that, we are good to go. Everything is back into place. All we need to do is just clean it up a little because it's all filthy, and it will look amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to test the shifter out finally. 3 weeks ago since I installed the shifter, so in that time we did solder and the Nürburgring, and of course street driving. I'm gonna give you some shifts. So honestly, the shifter feels amazing. Like for example, I'm into second now and I want to shift to third. Basically all I need to do, I don't need to point anymore, it's just you push it forward and it just pops right into gear. And like 5th to 4th, I'm in 4th now, it's just impossible. In 5th, it's impossible to shift to 2nd, it's just 4th, it's crazy. So it's not mega short, but I also didn't want that, but still short. And of course the organic position of the shifter itself is really nice, because first when you're in the corner and just cornering right, so you're pushed up against and then you need to reach there for the shifter, and now it's just very close to the steering wheel. So I definitely felt a big advantage there, especially on shoulder. When you have the high or like very sharp turns and you're pushed against the seat, you can still shift. I am gonna make a video in the future from CAE versus Works, because Simon has a Works and I've driven with that as well, and then you can give it like a nice comparison. But definitely for driving enjoyment itself, it's already a good mod, because it's just so much fun to just push that thing through the gears, and that's, yeah, really brings a new element to driving this car, and it makes it a lot of fun. So would I recommend a short shifter like this? Yeah, definitely. Would I recommend the CAE? I would say if you want to build the ultimate track tool, you definitely need to buy CAE, because it just feels the best. But if you're just looking for something that works, the Works is definitely another fantastic option, because I felt that as well, and it's just a great shifter. But this is just that little extra touch. I don't know if it's worth the extra money. For some people it is. For example, for me, I definitely want the CAE. But if you just want something that works, the Works will also do just fine. So yeah, very happy with this mod. I think, yeah, I'm not really sure what mod is next. What should we do next? Let me know in the comments. What do you think this car is missing for track performance? Don't say turbo, don't say supercharged, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, what do you think is missing and wide body is also not gonna happen. So let me know what you think for mods we should do next to this car. I have something in mind, but I'm gonna keep that for later. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for watching the install. Thank you Simon and Mark for helping me install the engine mounts, transmission mounts and the shifter, because yeah, they were a great help, and we could use the lift. So that's very, very nice. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys like the install. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys like the car now. Yeah, the interior is really coming together. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what mod you think would fit this car great. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.